guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Tonight is just going to be kind of informational. Hopefully. Oh, Jesus. My son, I tell you what. Anyway, you know, I told you guys in the last video, and I wanted your help as far as picking a turbo. Well, I still want to put a different turbo on my truck, but the reason I was going to go with a different turbo is because of some fuel mileage drop issues that I had after doing the Hamilton 103 springs and the Stealth Diesel 125 horse sack injectors. So before I did my I did those two items, I was doing between 17 to 19, sometimes on the high end of 19 miles to the gallon out of my truck. And since I've done the injectors and the springs, I've dropped to like 14 to 15 miles to the gallon. So I don't know if the injectors are not matched well with the turbo. Right now I have a BorgWarner S300 on my truck, 300G. It is a 5765. And I don't know what millimeter it is. All I know is a 300G. It's an older Super B single. Like I said, it's a 5765, like I said in the last video. But I don't know where I've lost 4 to 5 miles to the gallon in my truck. So I mean, is it the injectors? Is it the springs? Is it the turbo? And I did think about also possibly being the valves not lashed right. So I'm gonna kind of start, I don't know where I'm gonna go. So that's why tonight I'm asking you guys for some help. I do not know everything there is to know. I'm sure there's some of you guys out there that watch my channel that is far more knowledgeable than I am. And I mean, if you guys have any inclination or any idea, please feel free. Hit me up in the comment section and let me know. It'd be greatly appreciated. I do a lot of the things that I do just because I'm not afraid to dive into it and figure out how it works and what it takes to make it work. So, and that's just kind of how I've been all my life. I lived the philosophy when I was doing my first motorcycle is if I break it, I'll buy it again and try it over. It's kind of like if you get kicked off the horse, get back on and ride it again. So if that's how that analogy, if that's how that goes, I don't know. Anyway, that's just kind of what I want to go over tonight. I'm turning to you guys to hit me up in the comment section. Kind of let me know your issues. I did talk to Austin Tate from Taterbuilt, and he does not believe it's in the charger. He thinks it's in the injectors. I talked to another person, and I'm kind of on the fence with that also. I don't know if maybe there was a nozzle problem. I mean, we're only human. You know, we all make mistakes, and it's just, we're human. Basically, is what it boils down to. You know, he thought it was, you know, possibly the injector issue. There's always room for error, and no matter what we do in life, and that's how we grow and make ourselves better. I talked to another person, a company, and they said, well, it's the springs. You take springs out and you'll pick your mileage back up because the engine's working too hard with the 103 springs in it. That I kind of have a hard time believing, because if it was the 103 springs, well, I'm sorry, it's not like I went to like a 115 or a 110 or anything like that. A 103 is not a big upgrade. Factory is like 60 to 70 pounds, so it's not like it's a huge jump going to the 103s. And then, so I've got 3 issues going on, possibly. Injectors, turbo, springs. If you guys have had any issues like this in your own builds, let me know, and be greatly appreciated. So I'm almost to the point now where I want to do a turbo and injectors to kind of see what the comparison would be between the setup I have now and possibly a new setup. So I'm not sure the direction that I'm going to go, but I don't know. Got to do something. You know, I think I said before, Ohio We did approve a gas tax hike, which is fine. We need the money for and revenue for the roads. Gasoline's going up 10.5. Diesel is going up 19 in July 1 of this year. So that's pretty much all I wanted to go over tonight. I do have quite a bit that I want to do to my truck, so I've contemplated selling this truck too and starting over. I don't know. I would like to have possibly not a flatbed but a dump truck. It'd be more suitable possibly for me, but I like my second gen. I will never probably find another one as clean as that one is, so I would like to keep that and maybe pick up another one. I don't know. I don't know if I can handle another channel project and the stress of it or not. The Caddy's kind of wearing me out as far as the electrical issue I'm dealing with is. So anyway, I think that's pretty much it. Don't forget, Hot Shots back behind me. New coupon code gets you 5% off your entire order. First link in the description as always. Check out all my links in the description. Links to tools, parts I've used, all kinds of stuff down there. Anyway, I think that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to go over. Just kind of lost, need some help, have not found my way. Please help me find my way. Hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll talk to you guys later on. Bye-bye.